Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we'll see how you can reverse a receipt in Oracle Fusion Account Receivables module. Why we will reverse the receipt? Say for example, it is a wrong application or you have applied it to a different customer. So in those cases, you will reverse the receipts in Oracle Fusion. So now let's create a transaction. Click on receivables, click on billing, click on task list. Now click on create a transaction. Business unit, select your business unit. Now search for your customer. ERPZEN customer. Yeah. Now we'll see sold goods quantity 1, unit price is $1,000. Now click on save, complete and review. Yeah, 165,766. Yep. One six five seven double six. Now click on save and close. Now let's create a receipt. Click on receivables. Click on accounts receivable. Click on task list. Now click on create receipt. Standard, the business unit. What is the receipt method? Yeah, check. And the receipt number is 4567. And what is the amount? Say $1,000. And against which customer you have applied this receipt? Say ERPZEN customer. What is the customer site? Select your customer site. Now click on submit and apply manually. Submit and apply manually. Yeah. Now click on add open receivables. One six five seven double six. 165,766. Click on search. Okay, then in that case we'll create $900. Yeah. Click on add open receivables. Click on add open receivables. Now search, click on search. Yeah. Select this record and click on apply. Done. Yeah. Now click on save. Now click on actions, post to ledger. Yeah, click on view accounting. Confirmed cash, debit, receivable, credit. Confirmed cash, debit, debit, cash, credit. Sorry, receivables, credit. Debit. Yeah, this is the accounting entry. Now, let's reverse the same. Click on done. Click on save. Now, we have realized that it was the wrong application. Click on actions. Click on reverse. What is the category? Reverse payment, stop payment, credit card charge. The category is reverse payment. And what is the reason? Okay, what is the reason? Wrong amount, wrong customer, and all. Say, in for example, wrong customer, and click on reverse. Yeah, now it was successfully reversed. There is no receipt we can find. Now click on actions. Click on post to ledger. Click on view accounting. Now you can see the event receipt reverse and receipt reverse. Receivables debit, confirmed cash credit. So receivables debit, confirmed cash credit. Confirmed cash credit. So since you have reversed, the entries also reversed, and still the customer outstanding balances will be open. Now click on cancel. Click on home. I hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.